Hi, good day. Tara, pasok po kayo sa sample accommodation po namin here in Vegan City. Ayan, as you can see, very comfortable po yung accommodation namin at malinis po talaga yung mga kwarto. And meron din po tayong restroom with shower po yan para mas comfortable kapag naligo po kayo. Aircon din po pala yung accommodation po namin here in Vegan City. Ayan, para comfortable po kayo kapag natulog. Again, sample video lang po to ng mga accommodation po namin. Pwede pa rin pong magbago, depende po sa availability at depende po sa capacity. For more details po, feel free to send us message in our Facebook page, Lakbay Turismo Travel and Tours, so that we can give you the best price na kaya po namin ibigay. Bye!